Thank you so much for tuning back into Advantage Heating and Cooling. Much appreciated. And if you haven't already, smash that thumbs up button. What are you waiting for? And if you haven't subscribed already, consider subscribing. There's no cost or obligation. Shoe covers. So we're here. I was here a year ago. I'll leave the link in the description up here of what we found, but this is one giving us issues. Had me scratching my head, but I think it might be something to do with this elbow. I'm gonna loosen this up and tilt it like I did on this last one before. It was an Amana. I believe it's a pressure switch issue. Oh. Wow, you see that? Look at that port. It's plugged. Let me find something to clean it out with. Bring you guys back out here. Just a minute. So I'm going to take this little Allen wrench. Oh yeah, it was plugged. It was plugged. So blew through that to clean all that out. So now it's clean. So let's try this again. This is a GM8 S92. We're 80,000 BTUs in a 1,000 square foot house. It's a little overkill. Let's see if that fixed it. Smash that thumbs up, guys. There it is. So this is your drain pressure switch, and that was plugged. So if there is a blockage, it won't let it fire. Obviously there was a blockage here, so we got that. Was an easy fix. If you got any value out of this content, smash that thumbs button, and I'll see you on the next one.